Hello, I'm Sarah Katranich here at Cuyahoga Valley Career Center, where CAPA is participating in a community-based event educating the public about the dangers of prescription drug abuse. The main event of this evening features a play called Legally Addicted, which illustrates the consequences of prescription drug abuse. Over the last 15 years, prescription drug abuse has been an escalating problem nationwide, and overdoses have shocked many cities in Northeast Ohio. Realizing the importance of education in prescription drug abuse prevention, CAPA joined forces with the Cuyahoga County Board of Health's Prescription for Prevention Coalition, the group who spearheaded this evening's event. Director Vince Carafi told me a bit more about how and why Legally Addicted was developed.
The idea behind it is we're trying to find different ways and means to find alternative messages, to find different venues that are out there so that people could have an understanding of how it affects the communities that we actually serve.
CAPA Director Kelly Lazar also explained to me why CAPA decided to become involved with Prescription for Prevention.
The formation of this group resulted because of the dramatic rise in prescription drug deaths, unintentional overdoses to prescription drug use. So we wanted to find a way that we could address this issue on a county-wide level, leveraging our resources, working together.
Soon, it was time to turn my attention to the main event of the evening. But first, I had a chance to speak with Jeffrey Grover, a trustee at the Fairmount Center for the Arts, which is the organization that produced Legally Addicted. He told me more about how the play was developed and what he hoped the audience would take away from it.
We've used very good, strong clinical research. It's been reviewed by recovery resources and folks from the community. But our intention is to create content that will be able to ultimately provide people a sense that they might not necessarily get from a printed page.
To learn even more about the process, I talked with the author of the play, Jackie Lowy, who is an assistant professor at Notre Dame College.
I spent 6 months interviewing people, from people in recovery to doctors to nurses to social workers, psychologists, and it was grueling. It was depressing to me and hard and sad. So I'm hoping the play is a step toward getting other people to talk about it.
While the premiere of the powerful play was the keynote event for the evening, there are many other important supporting activities taking place as well. Prior to the live reading, attendees had an opportunity to browse tables full of information on prescription drugs, treatment facilities, and other informative booths relating to the play. Following the show, they also had a chance to speak to a panel of experts about prescription drug abuse. It was clear from the turnout and the active audience participation, the subject of prescription drug use has quickly become a hot topic in our community. To that end, Lazar told me about 3 key initiatives that CAPA and Prescription for Prevention are currently involved with. The first, Operation Medicine Cabinet, is a biannual citywide collection program that encourages the community to safely dispose of their expired or unneeded prescription drugs. The second program was the development of a toolkit educators can use in the classroom to create awareness about the dangers of prescription drugs. And finally, this fall, the coalition is planning an opium summit to educate the community and give them tools to fight prescription drug addiction. While I had heard from many adults in the crowd, I was very curious to hear what students thought of the reading of Legally Addicted. After all, they are the target demographic for the play, and as it grows, it will be performed in high schools throughout the state. BBHHS senior Veronica Thompson shared her opinions of the evening with me.
I thought the live reading was really, really effective. My mom and I came, she cried, and I got really teary-eyed. It was really, really effective, and I think as a play, it's going to be even more effective and a lot more graphic.
The play Legally Addicted gave a powerful look into the consequences of prescription drug abuse. We saw how it affects an entire community, not just an individual. The event was well attended and the play was very well received. We look forward to seeing it in other schools around Ohio.